In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an Instagram story in Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished, animated story ready to share, even if you're brand new to Canva. First, open your browser and head to canva.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, we're going to set up the right canvas size for Instagram stories. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram story. Select the Instagram story option that's 1080 by 1920 pixels. This vertical format is the perfect fit for stories and keeps everything crisp and full screen on mobile. Now decide how you want to start, with a template or a blank design. Templates are a great shortcut because they're professionally designed and already sized correctly. You can browse styles that match your brand or the mood you're going for. If you prefer complete control, choose a blank canvas and build from scratch. Either way works. Pick the option that helps you move faster. Next, add your elements. You can bring in text, photos, icons, videos, or any visuals you want to feature. Use the Uploads panel to add your own images, or explore Canva's library for stock visuals. Keep your layout clean and readable. Place key text where it won't be covered by Instagram's interface, and use alignment guides to keep everything neat. A simple rule of thumb is to keep the most important message large and central, with supporting details smaller. With your elements in place, it's time to animate. Click any item you want to bring to life: text, an image, or a graphic. Then look at the top toolbar and click Animate. You'll see a range of animation styles like fade, pan, pop, rise, and slide. Try a few to see what fits your vibe. Fade is subtle and polished. Pan and slide add movement across the screen. Pop gives energy to headlines, and rise adds a smooth upward motion. Apply animations thoughtfully so they feel cohesive rather than distracting. When you're happy with your choices, preview everything. Click play to watch your story from start to finish. Look for smooth transitions. Check that text is on screen long enough to read, and make sure nothing feels too busy. If something's not quite right, pause, tweak the animation style, and preview again until it feels just right. Finally, download your animated story. Click Share, then Download. Choose MP4 video for the best quality and compatibility, or pick GIF if you need a smaller file with simple looping. Save the file, transfer it to your phone if needed, and you're ready to post your animated Instagram story.